Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make red wine vinaigrette. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And now let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The first ingredient you will need is half cup of olive oil. I already have it in my mason jar. The second ingredient you will need is 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. The third ingredient you will need is 2 minced garlic. You will need 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Another ingredient you will need is 1 teaspoon of Italian seasonings. You will need 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You will need half teaspoon of salt. Let's mix everything together. And now let's shake it. This red wine vinaigrette recipe is easy, quick, and delicious. Please try it. Let me know if you liked it or not. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.